Hello students, welcome to your own YouTube channel Study with Hassan, and I am Hassan Anwar again at your service with a new video. So let's start. Students, it is clear from the thumbnail of the video that today we are going to start a new exercise of your class 9th NCERT mathematics textbook. And the first question of this exercise 13.8 is also written on the board, you can see, in which you are asked to find the volume of a sphere of the given radius. Two different radii of a sphere is given and you have to find the volume. Then which formula is applicable here? How can you solve this question very effectively and easily? You will see in this video today. So you are requested, if you are new on the channel and have not subscribed the channel, then subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all these useful videos that are very useful for your effective and satisfactory preparation for your final examination. So let's start. You can see the first question of the exercise. As I told you, find the volume of a sphere whose radius is part 1 7 centimeter. The radius is given 7 centimeter. In the second part it is given 0.63 meter. Yes, two radii of two different spheres are given, and in each case you have to find the volume of a sphere. Okay, first of all we will start solving the question. The first part of this question, that is the volume of a sphere of radius 7 centimeter. Then first of all we will write here given what? Radius r equal to 7 centimeter, and you need to find the volume. Then volume of a sphere, and is it clear? So it is clear that you have to find the volume of a sphere, so don't need to write the complete sentence volume of the sphere. If you just write volume, then it is enough. Volume equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Yes students, this is the formula that you have to use to find the volume of a sphere. It is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, and it is suggested that you have to take pi 22 upon 7 unless it is instructed that you have to take the another value of pi, which is 3.14. Now 4 upon 3 you have to write, and if there is no sign in the middle, then it is multiplication, and pi you have to take 22 upon 7 in the place of pi, and r cube. What is r here? R is the radius, and it is given that it is 7 centimeter. No need to mention the unit in the intermediary steps. You have to write the unit in the final result, with the final result. Now again 4 upon 3 as it is 22 upon 7, the value of pi, and 7 having power 3, so it is to be multiplied 3 times. 7 multiplied by 3 times, and now cancel out the terms which can be cancelled here. Now 7 cancel, and no multiples of 3 is in the numerator, so you cannot cancel this. And now multiply 22 4 it is 88, and 7 7 is 49. Then when you multiply 88 by 49, then you can do your rough work here. 88 multiplied by 49, 9 8 is 72, carry 7, and 9 is 72, and 7 it is 79. Again 4 is 32, carry 3, and 4 is 32, and 3 it is 35. And now 2 9 to 11 carry 1, 7 5 12, and 1 13, 3 carry 1, and 3 1 4. It is 4 3 1 2, 4 3 1 2, and divided by 3. And when you divide this, then 3 1s are 3, again 3 4s are 12, now 3 3s are 9, and remains 2, and 22 it is. Then 3 7s are 21, and 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, and unit will be centimeter cube. Therefore you can write volume equal to what? 143.73 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. This is your final answer. Very easy calculation. If you choose the correct formula which is required here or applicable here, you can easily proceed your calculation and reach the correct result. Now let's solve the second part of this question, where radius of the sphere is given 0.63 meter. And now again we will use the same formula because same quantity is to be calculated here. First of all, you will write the given quantities, given radius of sphere. No need to write the complete sentence of the sphere because it is clear here that you are doing work, your calculation on sphere. Then radius r equal to how much? 0.63 meter. And volume, you will apply the same formula, 4/3 pi r cube. And if it is not given that which value of pi you have to use 22/7. Then 4/3 again the value of pi, it is 22/7, and radius it is 0.63 in the first step. Write radius and show the power 3, and after that in the next step you can multiply 22/7 multiply 0.63 how many times? 3 times. 0.63 0.63 and multiplied 0.63. Okay, and now reduce the decimal, remove the decimal, then upon 100 and upon 100. And at this point let me clear one thing about which so many students are confused. They say if decimal is to be removed, then after removing decimals there is 10 in the denominator. No, there is no always 10. There may be 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 or any multiple of pi, any powers of 10 sorry, not pi, 10. Then if you remove the decimal point from here is from 0.63, then 1 is there, and after the decimal how many digits are there? 2 digits, so 2 zeros. Here also 2 digits are there after the decimal point, so you need to take 2 zeros, and here similarly 2 zeros. And if it is to make this more clear, if it is only 0.6 and you remove the decimal, then 1, and there is only 1 digit after the decimal point, so you have to take 1 zero only. Okay, and to take another example, if it is 0.631 and you remove the decimal, then 1 comes, and how many digits are there after the decimal point? 3 digits are there, so you have to take 3 digits. The number of zeros followed by 1 depends on how many digits are there after the decimal point in the given decimal number, and it is not fixed that each time you have to take 10 or 100 or 1000. No, it depends on the number of digits after the decimal point in a given decimal number. So the decimal number here was 0.63. when you remove this decimal point, 1 comes, and 2 digits are there after the decimal point, 6 and 3, so there are 2 zeros. I think now it is clear. Now so cancel the cancelable terms. You see here 7 9s are 63 and 3 3s are 9. Okay, and they are 100 100 100. Someone can say that 4 1s are and 4 25s are. Of course you can cancel this 4 and this 100, this 22 and this 100, both are even numbers, so they are divisible by 2. But I suggest you don't cancel this, because if you cancel 4 25s are, then 25 remains in the denominator. If you cancel this by 2 11s and 2 50s are, then 50 remains in the denominator. And if numbers except 10, 100, 1000 or 10,000 remains in the decimal, then after a few steps you have to divide again by the numbers in the denominator. So division, it will makes your work more difficult. So leave this all. If there are 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 or any powers of 10 in the denominator, leave it, because it will be easier to shift the decimal, to put the decimal in the final product of numerators. So how many zeros are there in the denominator? 6 zeros are there. Then write 1 followed by how many zeros? 6 zeros, because 3 hundreds are there, and finally it is 4 into 22, it is 88 multiplied by what? 3 into 63 into 63. Clear? And now only one thing remains here, that you have to multiply all the numbers in the numerators, and 6 zeros are there in the denominator. So whatever the product we will get by multiplying all these numbers, we will put a decimal point after 6 digits starting from the right side. Yes, it is also very important, starting from the right side, not from the left side, starting from the right side. Then only things remains here, that you have to multiply all these number. Then see here, 3 8s are 24, carry 2, and 3 8s are 24 and 2, 26, 264. You have multiplied these two numbers. Now multiply by 6 3. 3 4s are 12, 2 carry 1, 3 6 are 18, 1 19, carry 1, 3 2 are 6, 1 7, 6 4s are 24, carry 2, 6 are 36 and 2, 38, carry 3 and 6 are 12 and 3, it is 15. Then 2 9 4 13, 3 carry 1, 8 7 15 and 1 16, 6 carry 1, 5 1 6 and 1. 1 6 6 3 2. We have multiplied up to what? 63 up to what? Up to this number, and now the only number 63 is remaining. Let's multiply by 6 3 again. 3 2 is 6, 3 6 is 9, 3 6 is 18, 8 carry 1, 3 6 is 18 1, 19 carry 1.